Found a nail in your tire? That dreaded moment when you hear that hissing sound? Well, before you rush to get a quick tire plug, you need to hear this, because what I'm about to share might just save you from a dangerous situation on the road. If you're into learning more car maintenance secrets that could save you thousands, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a tire plug? It's basically a piece of rubber material that gets inserted into a puncture to seal it. Now, there are three main types you'll encounter in the market. First, you've got vulcanized rubber plugs. These are your premium option, giving you the best bonding with your tire rubber. Then there are string-type fiber plugs, the ones you'll typically find in those emergency repair kits. Finally, there's what professionals use, combination plug patch units, which are the most reliable of the bunch. Industry standards. Now, here's where things get serious. According to both the Tire Industry Association and the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, tire plugs are not permanent repairs. They're meant to be temporary fixes only. Why? Because over time, these plugs can lead to serious problems. Moisture can seep in and cause your steel belts to rust. Your tire pressure becomes unstable. And worst of all, the entire structure of your tire gets compromised. If you've ever used a tire plug before, drop a wrench emoji in the comments. I'm curious to hear about your experiences. Safety guidelines. So when is it actually safe to use a plug? Well, there are only a few scenarios where a temporary plug is acceptable. When the puncture is in the center of your tread, when the hole is smaller than 1/4 inch, and when it's a clean puncture from something like a nail or screw. But here are the danger zones. Never try to plug these. Any sidewall damage, multiple punctures, cuts longer than 1/4 inch, and definitely not high-speed rated tires. Cost breakdown. Let's talk money, because I know that's what many of you are thinking about. A basic plug kit will cost you around $10 to $20. A professional repair job, that's going to be $40 to $60. And if you need a new tire, you're looking at $100 to $300 or more. But here's the real question. Is saving that money worth risking your safety? What to do? So what should you do if you find a nail in your tire? First, don't pull it out. That nail is actually helping to keep air in your tire. Get to a safe location if possible. Take some photos. This might help with insurance. Then call a professional tire shop. Only use a plug if you're completely stranded and have no other option. And even then, get it properly repaired as soon as possible. Prevention tips. Of course, the best solution is prevention. Check your tire pressure monthly. Rotate your tires every 5,000 miles. Keep an eye on your alignment. And always stay alert for road hazards. Speaking of tire pressure, I found an amazing tire pressure monitoring system that makes this super easy. I'll link it in the description below. Closing. Now you know the truth about tire plugs. Remember, they're emergency solutions, not permanent fixes. Don't risk your safety to save a few bucks. If this information helped you, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe for more car maintenance tips that could save your life.